So I was pulling the speed controls apart, having a look. There's not a lot of shrinking I can do there, but I can definitely lose a bunch of these wires. Already started chopping a few out, but turning back on. One thing I did notice, it was in medium gear, so it has 3 speeds, low, medium, high, and now it's in low. It's even more responsive, so just touch it barely. The other thing is I can do, so I can adjust it, so I can actually show you the torque. So we adjust the throttle trim a little. There you go, so it's barely going. It's got some torque. So yeah, it should move quite happily. Still boots along in low, but it's definitely in low speed at the moment. Trim that back down, hang on. Yeah, still stop it when it's really low. It's only a hoverboard motor. There we go. Anyway, yeah, that's going to be fun to try and smush 2 of them together and then getting it up inside there. The other thing is I need to get a proper axle. That's just an old screwdriver. But it works. Busted off handle ages ago. It does have some mud guards that bolt in and sit up here. Where are they? Give me the mud guards. There they are. So, you know, finishes off the look. And I suppose, yeah, I gotta get a wheel, clean off this, make it look pretty. Once I get all that in there, of course, and the battery.